Do you have a mortgage or thinking about getting one and perhaps have a question about it? Well, you're not alone. And fortunately, we have someone, Aaron Cashmer with Mortgage Masters of Indiana, who can certainly answer your question. Aaron, welcome as always.
Thank you for having me, Mike.
Interest rates. Talk about it. Give us an update on that.
Yeah.
Is it a good time? A lot of people want to refinance. Is it a good time?
It sure is. Interest rates are at a historical 12-month low, and a lot of times, people don't understand that. They're not, they're not reading the news, sometimes, and it's a great message to get out there right now. Interest rates are fantastic. Refinancing right now is, super, popular thing that people are calling in about. We do free consultations, so if you're like, I'm not sure, where my interest rate stands based on where things are at now, give us a call. We'll do it for free. Obviously everybody understands, hey, let's reduce my interest rate and, hopefully, lower my payments and things like that. That's one thing you can accomplish. You can also look at taking potentially cash out, doing home improvements,
Sure.
Kids want a swimming pool, things like that can be accomplished as well. Also, you got high interest credit card debt. Sometimes those things can make sense to roll into your mortgage at one low interest rate and, really help you with cash flow every month. So it's a great time. Interest rates are low. Refinancing is a popular thing right now.
Now, Mortgage Masters is a local lender, right, as opposed to national.
That's right.
Why go with a local lender?
Personal touch, the biggest one. So, you're not just a transaction to us. You are a client. You are a lifelong, client that we're looking at building relationships. We've got multiple people where I've done their parents' loans, and then they refer their kids to me, and then, their kids, refer their friends and family. So it's somebody where we're not just looking at one transaction. We're looking to make a lifelong commitment to you and your family. You're getting face-to-face with us, and we have that obligation to you, where national lenders, you're just a transaction, right? You're just calling in, you're talking to somebody, you never even meet them, you never see their face. If they mess it up, who cares? They'll just move on to the next person. So we got that local touch, and we really want to make sure people
in
understand
this age of, we live on our phones,
That's right.
face-to-face, that face-to-face consultation, it's critical, isn't it?
It's I love it, and I know a lot of clients love it, but at the same time, we still give that same, if somebody wants to do it online or if they want to call in, we could still, absolutely satisfy that borrower schedule and whatever is convenient for them. But if they want to get face-to-face, we could do that. If they want to be online or over the phone, we could do that as well. So we really are the one-stop shop for people for whatever it is that they're looking for, but we're absolutely local. Keep your business local.
Talking with Aaron Cashmer of Mortgage Masters of Indiana. One thing when we're talking about we got to make payments, make a down payment. Has that changed, the thought about down payments? You got a lot of options, don't you?
We do. That's exactly right. So, of course, anybody could come in and put down what they want, 20%, 15%, whatever. Those are great. But what people don't understand is that you can get into homes with zero money down. There's a lot of programs out there, VA loans. If you're a veteran, we'd love to talk to you about your using your VA benefits. One of the best programs out there. Rural housing loans, zero down. We've also got FHA financing with 3.5% down. First-time home buyers with 3% down. There's also Indiana has a grant program that we participate in to where you can get in with zero down as well, taking advantage of state grants. So there's a ton of opportunities out there if you qualify. Again, free consultation. You want to give us a call, see if it's something to where home ownership is in your future? Why not, right? It's a free call.
Now, you're the Vice President of Originations, right? Sounds important.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I'd go that far.
But it covers a lot.
Yeah.
How do you describe your job, and what do you like about it?
Yeah, so it's great because I get to do both things. So I help manage our loan officers, but at the same time, I have my own clients that I'm meeting with and working with on a day-to-day basis. So I get the benefit of both. I get the personal one-on-one, helping somebody get from that first phone call, that first meeting, to seeing them get the keys at closing. But at the same time, I also get to help manage and train our loan officers and our staff, and doing things the Mortgage Masters way, which we take great pride in. So yeah, I get to do both, and it's a fantastic opportunity.
Despite we're just bombarded with so much information today, are there any misconceptions about mortgages?
Yeah.
You say, hey, that's not us.
A lot of times people think they have to have perfect credit, and you don't. I mean, obviously, the higher your credit score, the more opportunities that you're going to have. But if you missed a credit card payment, in the past, or if you had a medical bill, student loan debt, things like that. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities out there that people just don't realize because they're afraid. You said, there's no stupid questions. That's right. People are afraid to reach out and actually realize what's out there. We want to approve everybody that comes in, of course. Of course, we can't. But there's so many opportunities out there that people just don't realize, and I think that's probably the biggest misconception, is that you have to have perfect credit to buy a house, and it's just not the case.
Okay, one more time, people watching right now. Did you serve the 3 states here?
The
tri-state?
Nothing in Illinois, so we're licensed in Indiana, Kentucky, and Florida. So yeah, I mean, we've got loan officers, actually Bloomington as well, as I say Indiana, but we've got 2 offices in the Bloomington area as well.
Give people the phone number one more.
Yep.
And website.
Sure, 812-477-8000, 812-477-8000, mortgagemastersofindiana.com or aaroncashmer.com as well. So
Or 14news.com on our Ask the Expert page. Aaron